Hey y'all, welcome to the Old Davie School. I'm Lisa, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make butter. If you came to town in the early 1900s, you couldn't go to the grocery store to buy butter. You had to make it yourself. First, you would milk the family cow, get some fresh milk, pour the milk into a bowl, and set that bowl aside. After a while, the cream from that milk rises to the top. You scoop it off and you put it in a butter churner just like this one. You turn the crank and it agitates those paddles, sloshing all that liquid around, eventually becoming very thick and becoming butter. Since we don't have a cow available, I'm going to show you how to make butter using one simple ingredient, heavy whipping cream. Now I've already filled my container halfway, and you will need a nice container with a tight closing lid. I'm going to go ahead and use my mason jar. And then we just start shaking. I call this shaking to churn. We're going to shake until the liquid starts to get thick and becomes butter. Let's go ahead and open. Got this one made already. Let's see what we got here. I need to churn just a little bit more. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your butter. All right, it's thick enough. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, look at that beautiful, nice cream. Now you can take this butter and spread it on crackers, on fresh bread, maybe even a homemade muffin. Let's see what we got here. Looks good. Use a cracker today. Wonderful. Now what do you think about adding garlic to your butter? Garlic butter. What about adding honey to your butter? Honey butter. Delicious. Do you know milking the cow was a chore for the early pioneer children? They would have to milk the cow twice a day. 5 gallons of milk in the morning and 5 gallons of milk in the evening. Do you think you would like to milk the cow every single day? Think about that. Good luck with your butter making. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye now.